Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore the fast-paced technological landscape and, more importantly, how it impacts you as maintenance and operations professionals. We'll discuss the evolution from reactive to preventive and, finally, predictive maintenance driven by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. You'll also get insights on how to adapt to these changes and seize new, exciting opportunities. Let's dive in. There's no denying that technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things are all making remarkable strides each and every day. The long-term efficiency and cost savings generated by these developments are becoming increasingly attractive to facilities worldwide. But what does this mean for you, the maintenance technician? Should you be worried about new technology replacing you? The answer is not as straightforward as you might think. While it's true that changes are on the horizon, full implementation of these new technologies will be slow. During this time, your skills will still be in demand. Work orders need to be completed, preventive maintenance must be conducted, and emergency repair services will continue as usual. But this period isn't just about maintaining the status quo. It's also an opportunity for you to prepare for the exciting changes that lie ahead. Your foundational knowledge as a maintenance technician, coupled with the amazing opportunities provided by technology, will enable you to learn and develop professionally. Now, let's talk about what automation does better. Understanding this is a crucial part of preparing for the future. In the world of maintenance, technology is facilitating a shift from reactive maintenance to preventive maintenance, and finally to predictive maintenance. If you're in maintenance, you know that reactive maintenance can be costly. When equipment breaks unexpectedly, technicians are pulled from scheduled tasks, parts may need to be shipped overnight, and production grinds to a halt. The costs of reactive maintenance can quickly spiral out of control. Preventive maintenance can reduce emergency breakdowns, but it's not without its challenges. Unnecessary preventive maintenance means unnecessary costs. The most efficient solution is predictive maintenance. This involves using complex data to prevent problems shortly before they occur. Artificial intelligence and evolving technologies provide more comprehensive data to make those crucial decisions. But what about future opportunities? Maintenance technicians are in a prime position to leverage these technological advancements. Professionals who adapt to these new developments will find many higher-level, challenging opportunities. In fact, we're already seeing a shortage of data analysts who can interpret the wealth of information available, draw reasonable conclusions, and help organizations make smart business decisions. The best job security for maintenance professionals is a desire to continue to learn, grow, and adapt in your field. Skills that are uniquely human, such as critical thinking, complex problem solving, and people management ability, will never be replaced by machines. So should you worry about new technology replacing you as a technician? Not if you're prepared to embrace the changes, learn from them, and adapt. The future is bright, and it's full of opportunities for those who are ready to seize them. Thank you for watching. We've covered the impact of technology on maintenance and operation, the shift from reactive to preventive and predictive maintenance, and the opportunities that lie ahead for those who are ready to adapt. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our resources and tools for maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the future is bright, and it's full of opportunities, so stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.